Basmati Pulao is a very traditional Bengali recipe made on special festivals or special occasions. This fragrant yellow sweet pulao gives a sweet touch to your meal that speaks of a grand celebrations. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Into the soaked and dried rice, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. If you want, you can add more ghee. Now coat the rice with the spices evenly. I'm using Basmati rice, but traditionally we use Gobindabhog rice. I take 2 cups of rice. Rest this rice for 30 minutes. Now in a karai, take 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. Let the ghee melt little. You have to be generous about ghee for this particular recipe. Now take 3 pieces of bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 pieces of cardamoms, 7 to 8 pieces of cloves. Fry the whole spices little into the ghee. Now add cashew nuts. Fry them for 2 minutes on low heat. Cashews are nicely brown. Add previously marinated rice. Stir the rice well, but one thing, as the rice is soaked into water and also marinated, so the grains are little delicate. They can break easily, so stir the rice gently. Fry them for 5 minutes. They are nicely fried. Add few raisins. Fry them for 2 minutes more. Now add 3 cups of water. You may add more 1/4 cup of water, but not more. If you add water too much, then it will be smashy pulao. So the quantity of water is really important thing for this rice recipe. Cover the pan and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. After 15 minutes, open the lid and you can see every rice grain is nice and fluffy and the aroma is mind-blowing. Give a little stir. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add more sugar as per your taste. It depends how much sweet flavor you like. Mix this sugar very lightly. This pulao is very mildly sweet. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. Give a very little stir and cover the pan and cook for more 5 minutes. This fragrant yellow sweet pulao gives a sweet touch to your meal that speaks of a grand celebration. After 5 minutes, open the lid and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Basmati pulao is ready to serve. This beautiful aromatic sweet pulao goes well with kosha mangsho, the perfect delightful combination. That's it for today's video. Please like our videos after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.